Kentico CMS includes many features and modules that utilize email messages as part of their functionality, including automatic notification, various types of confirmation messages, newsletters, and many more. To allow the application to send out emails, you need to register and configure SMTP servers. When defining your production environment, it is very important to be concerned about things like mail volume and configuration. However, when setting up your development options, there's two steps that you need to go through. The first is to configure your SMTP server. The second is to go ahead and test it. Configuring your development environment to leverage SMTP is a two-step process. The first step is to register the SMTP server. Within Site Manager, select Settings, then System, and Email. Within the SMTP server, you want to enter your SMTP server name. For example, if I'm going to be using Gmail, I'm going to enter smtp.gmail.com. I'm going to enter my username, which happens to be an email address of tomrobbins@gmail.com, and then my SMTP server password. And Gmail, like a lot of SMTP servers, takes advantage of SSL. Once this is done, we're going to select Save. Now that we've configured our SMTP server, the next step is to issue a simple test to make sure that it works. We can switch to Administration, System, and Email. Within here, you'll notice that we can pull our SMTP server that's already configured. I'm going to go ahead and send an email from tomrobbins@gmail.com to thomasr@kentico.com. I'm going to enter the subject of test, and we'll enter the text of test email. We're going to select Send, which will allow us to exercise the configuration that we just created and send an email using this SMTP server. And finally, as you see, our test has been successful because I have received at the thomasr@kentico.com account the email that I sent via Kentico CMS.